Hey everyone! Welcome to Tirana, the colorful capital of Albania. Tirana is the biggest city in Albania, with around 500,000 people living here. This place is nestled in a valley, surrounded by beautiful mountains and rolling hills. Over the years, Tirana has transformed into a lively hub in the Balkans, mixing old-world charm with a modern vibe. The buildings here are like a rainbow, vibrant colors everywhere. You'll spot architectural influences from Ottoman, Fascist, and Soviet times, all woven together in such a unique way. Recently, Tirana has been adding green spaces and pedestrian areas, giving it a fresh, open feel that makes it perfect for exploring. Right in the heart of the city is Skanderbeg Square, Tirana's social and cultural center. This huge plaza is named after Albania's national hero, Gjergj Kastrioti, Skanderbeg. His statue, riding proudly on horseback, watches over the square as a symbol of Albanian resilience and pride. The square is surrounded by landmarks, the National History Museum, Bey Mosque, and the Clock Tower, each with its own story. The recent redesign has made Skanderbeg Square super pedestrian-friendly, with lots of space, fountains, and green patches where people gather. It's a fantastic place to just hang out, watch life go by, or join in one of the many public events that happen here. As night falls, Skanderbeg Square turns into a lively scene of music and lights. Locals and tourists gather for open-air concerts, festivals, and cultural performances under the starry sky. The energy here is infectious. There's always something happening, whether it's an organized event or a spontaneous get-together. Just a short walk away is the Bey Mosque, one of Albania's oldest and most beautiful landmarks. Built in the late 18th century, its walls are decorated with intricate frescoes showing trees, waterfalls, and bridges, rare and special in Islamic art. This mosque has stood through Albania's communist era, when religious practices were banned, and reopened in 1991. Symbolizing Albania's enduring heritage and spirit. Nearby, you'll find the Grand Orthodox Cathedral of Tirana, also called the Resurrection of Christ Cathedral. Completed in 2012, it combines traditional Byzantine design with modern touches. The white and blue exterior and stunning dome make it one of the city's most iconic buildings, symbolizing the rebirth of religious freedom in Albania. Finally, Amadeus Palace Hotel is perfect hotel for staying. This hotel is known for its classic look and comfortable vibe, with spacious rooms, a great restaurant, and warm Albanian hospitality. It's close to all the key spots in Tirana, making it an ideal place to unwind after a day of exploring. And that wraps up our journey through Albania. Next up, we will take you to some other country. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.